ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। हरि ओम। A very warm welcome. The king Pratapabhanu was very delighted to see his friend, the Kapata Muni, and the demon Kalaketu. They have planned everything. According to that, the priest has come, meaning the demon has come. Brahmabasarahana cheta. He was so, the Pratapabhanu was so completely deluded. Bare turata sata sahasa bara. And then immediately he invited all the 100,000 Brahmanas, Vipra Kutumba Sameta, with all their Kutumba, they all were invited. Now see what happened. Hmm? In the colloquial language, they, the very beautiful thing they say. Sabar karo, abhi picture baki hai, they say. Now the whole picture comes in front. We will see what it is. उपरोहित जीवनार बनाई, छरस चारि विधि जसी श्रुति गाई, मायामय तेहि कीन्ही रसोई, बिंजन बहुगनि सकई न कोई, विविध मृगन कर आमिष रांधा, तेहि महु विप्रमासु खल सांदा, भोजन कहूँ सब विप्र बोलाये, पद पखारी सादर बैठाये, परुसन जब ही लाग मही पाला, भय आकाश बानी ते ही काला, विप्र वृंद उठी उठी गृह जाहु, है बड़ी हानि अन्न जनि खाहु, भयउ रसोई भूसुर मासु, सब द्विज उठे मानि विश्वासु, भूप विकल मति मोह बुलानी, भावी बसन आव मुख बानी, बोले विप्र सकोप तब नहीं कछु कीन्ह विचार, जाई निसाचर हो नृप, मूढ़ सहित परिवार, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. See how the complete event turns. उपरोहित जवनार बनाई. Kalaketu, he had told, I will prepare the food. And the priest cooked the food. Uparohita javanar banai. Charas chari vidhi jasi shruti gai. This part is very, very interesting. How the Vedas have spoken about the 4 types of food. Charas chari vidhi jasi shruti gai. Just as the Shruti has spoken, 4 kinds of food and 6 different tastes. Chari vidhi means 4 types. Charasa, cha 6, rasa taste. Have you ever thought about all this? We are good in eating, no doubt, isn't it? We are all great foodies. But have you ever thought these details is so interesting? There are 4 kinds of food. What are they? According to Shastra, according to Vedas, the first type are the vegetables and fruits. The vegetables and fruits. The second type are the grain foods. Grain foods. Third type are the milk and milk products. And the fourth are called the proteins which are served. 4 types of food. And they say these produces 6 kinds of tastes. One is sweet, madhura. Sour, many people like it, of course. Salty, chips are very interesting, isn't it? Pungent, these chatak-pataks during watching TV or something like that, match, watching a cricket match, now IPL is going on. Pungent, bitter, and the other one is the citrus type. So, 6 types of tastes are, indicated in the Vedas. And this person, who is that? Demon, he prepared all this according to the Vedas. But then what else did he do? See. Maya Mayatehi Kinhi Rasoi. Then what he did? He also prepared an illusory, beautiful lunch. What did it have? Binjana Bahugani Sakaina Koi. A very beautiful dishes, varieties. I remember, I always take this example because one of the important factor in this particular example is I learnt a lot. The amount of learning, the very strong learning, not the amount, the strength of that learning, the depth of that learning was extremely, I cannot tell you how much it impacted me. In my Purvashram, I was working in a company which deals with the shares and stocks. You might have heard, or you might also have been working on it. I used to go to this Bangalore Stock Exchange for trading, along with my boss, of course. And whenever a company brings out a fresh set of shares, what they do is they call for a brokers conference. So all the brokers who are dealing with the share market, they would all come together, and then the company would have a very beautiful hall where very important speakers of the company would be seated, and then the talks will start. Generally half an hour late or 45 minutes late it will start already. And the best part is, when the program starts, not even 40% will be present. And as the program moves halfway, slowly numbers will increase to 60%. And when the program moves almost coming to an end, 85%, you will see the complete hall filled up. They come at the end of that time. Why? Next is very important. What is that? What is it? Food. After the release of the shares is over, then all of us are fed. And you will find a beautiful dinner would be spread. You will have so many varieties. In fact, I never ever had even imagined that so many varieties of food were available at that time. That many varieties. 5 varieties of palya. 3 or 4 varieties of rasam. Mysuru rasam, Madras rasam, Bengaluru rasam, Kerala rasam, like that. 4 varieties of rasam would be there. Then you will find so many other varieties of curries. I'm sure your mouth also must be watering like mine now. Why? It would be so yummy, so tasty, the flavor itself was so attractive. And then you will have lot of salads. And then the rice, varieties of rice. Fried rice, unfried rice, pulao, bisibele bath, puliogare, vagera, vagera, vagera. Because now if I think on all those, then my talk will not end. Isn't it? So all that. And then there would be one more section on the other side with a barricade in between. And that section, you will have actually many people. This section, very less people like me were there. On the other section, it is what? A section where various dead bodies at various stages of decomposition would be cooked and then decorated in a plate named as non-vegetarian. And with lot of masalas, etc., there another side. And there is a third factor. It would be on the other end. Neither this side nor that side. It would be on the other end, where you have desserts. You know what is dessert? Varieties of ice cream, unmixed and mixed. So like that varieties. In fact, we would starve from morning to enjoy all of them. Those days, 35 years back, 30 years back. And people are, they stop talking there. They won't chat. Why? They are busy eating. What? 6 types of taste. Actually speaking, when you look at all that, it is not 6 types of taste. It would be 66 types of taste probably. That much of varieties of food. Half of them are, at least 10% of them, because people eat very well. They overload themselves. And some people cannot even walk after food. Think. All this to satisfy 1.5 inch boneless tongue. Think. 1.5 inch boneless tongue. By the time it crosses the throat, it is no more a variety what you asked for. It is just a mass, bulk of mass. Think, matter. Think. This is what I found. Maya mayatehi. It is so deluding. Think of your kitchen. Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. The demon, he opened up an illusory banquet. Binjana bahugani sakaina koi. Varieties of seasoned dishes. At that particular time, all those most beautiful varieties were prepared. One could not even count. Sakaina koi gani. Gani means counting. They can't even count how many varieties. Bibida mruganakara amisharantha. Now look at that. Dressing the flesh of varieties of animals. Tehimahu bipra masu khalasandha. This wretched person, he mixed it, with it the cooked flesh of Brahmanas. Even that he had mixed. Bhojanakahu saba bipra bolaye. All the Brahmanas now were invited. They were all waiting. Like how these people were waiting in the conference, share market conference, they were also waiting. Padapakha arisadar baithai. Then proper lines and things were, generally when we go to any function, rows were beautifully organized, maybe tables were also kept and lot of beautiful decorations would have been made. Or probably at that time everybody would sit down only. However, Padapakhari sadara baithaye. Respectfully, they were all sitting. Parusana jabahi lagamahi pala. When the king began to serve the food, that is when the twist took place. The moment the king started serving, Bayakasabani tehikala, a very, Akashavani, Ashariravani. Immediately one voice came. Actually, this voice was given by the same Kalaketu. As an Akashavani from somewhere, he gave this. What is that? Vipra Brinda Uthi, Uthi Grihajahu. All Brahmanas, get up and go to your homes immediately. He badihani annajani khahu. Don't eat this food. It is absolutely ridiculous. It is most harmful. Bhayavu rasoi. Now please note, Bhayavu rasoi bhusuramasu. These dishes include flesh of Brahmanas. How can Brahmanas eat flesh of Brahmanas? Sabadvija ute mani biswasu. Every Brahmana suddenly they jumped up. Why? That shock, they could not take it. And normally the Asharira Vanis are all by Devatas. Normally. This is one exceptional case. So they rest their trust on that Asharira Vani and all of them rose. Bhupa Bikalamati Moha Bulani. The king was totally taken aback. Totally, his mind was completely covered. He was, bewildered. Why? Because of the obsession for his desire. Remember that. Keep remembering, because of the obsession of the desire, he was suddenly done, he didn't know what to do. Bhavi basana ava mukhabani. Again the same thing Tulsidas says. As the fate would have it, his mouth became dumb. He could not speak a word. Then what did he do? Immediately the Brahmanas became very angry, naturally. Please note, when we say Brahmana, it is not the jati, varga, etc. The Brahmanas are great tapasvis, great followers of dharma. And we often hear, dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. When you protect dharma, dharma will protect you. This is the Shruti Vakya. And it is true, obviously. Naturally, it has to be. If Shruti has said that, dharmo rakshati rakshitaha, the one who protects the dharma will be protected by dharma. And these Brahmanas are people who have been educated with reference to the Shruti, Smriti, Itihasa, Purana, etc. And therefore, they not only discipline themselves, they also implement the discipline in their way of life. Therefore, their words are very powerful. That is why Brahmanas are always kept up in the list. Right? Brahmanas, again, let me make it very clear. It is not just because you wear a Janayu, you become a Brahmana. Janayu is something which is an indicator of a discipline. But the discipline, when you follow, even a Shudra can be called as Brahmana. And if you don't follow, the so-called Brahmana born entity will be worse than a Shudra. Therefore, dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. These Brahmanas, they follow dharma religiously and strictly. Therefore, their words are very powerful. And that is why Brahmanas' anger is very terrible. Nahi kachuki inha bichara. These Brahmanas, they didn't even think for a minute. Jai nisacharaho vundrupa. They immediately gave a shapa to Pratapa Bhanu. What did he say? Oh, foolish king! Jai nisacharaho. You will take the birth of a demon form. Mudha sahita parivara. Along with your entire clan, you will become demons. They gave him a shapa. Pratapa Bhanu was astounded. He was unable to speak. He didn't know what is happening. Chhatra bandute विप्र बोलाई, घाले लिए सहित समुदायी, ईश्वर राखा धर्म हमारा, जय हसी तय समेत परिवारा, संबत मध्यनास तव होवु, जलदाता न रही कुल कोवु, नृपसुनि श्राप बिकल अति त्रासा, बै बहोरि बर गिरा अकासा, विप्रहु शाप बिचारी न दीन्हा, नहीं अपराध भूप कछु कीन्हा, चकित विप्र सब सुनि न भबानी, भूप गयउ जहाँ भोजन खानी, तहन असन नहीं विप्र सुवारा, फिरे उराऊ मन सोच अपारा, सब प्रसंग मही सुरन सुनाई, त्रसित परेवु अवनी अकुलाई, भूपति भावी मिटई नहीं, जदपि न दूषण तोर, किए अन्यथा होई नहीं, विप्रशाप अति घोर, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। छत्रबंधु तै विप्र बोलाई, inviting the Brahmanas, you wretched king, you nasty king, घाले लिए सहित समुदायी, you were in the process of ruining with the Brahmanas along with the families. Ishvara Raka Dharma Hamara, because we are following Dharma properly, Ishvara alone has come in that wise and has protected us from eating that horrible food. Jai hasi tay sameta parivara, and you and your race meaning the entire clan, will face the music. What is that? Sambat, he has already given the shapa. Sambata madhyanasa tabahovu. Sambata, in a course of a year, within an year, you shall perish. Nasa tabahovu. Jaladata na rahihi kulakovu. You will not even have even a single person in your clan, in your vamsha, to even give you water at the time of your death. Nripasuni shapa bikala atitrasa. When the king heard the shapa, he was completely dumbfounded. And he started becoming, afraid. Bhai bahori bharagira akasa. Immediately again another voice came, another Ashariravani came. What did it say? Now this time it is not the Ashariravani was not that demon's voice, it was original voice. What did he say? Viprahu shapa bichari nadinha. Vipra, O Brahmanas, you have uttered this curse even without, careful thought. You immediately just took it for granted. Nahi aparadha bhupa kachukinha. Bhupa, the king has not done any aparadha. This was the wrong doing of these two people. The king whom he had driven away from the battle and the demon whose vamsha was eradicated by Pratapa Bhanu. Therefore, nahi aparadha bhupa kachukinha. Chakita biprasaba suninabha bani. When the Brahmanas again listened to the voice, Again they were taken aback. First of all, they are in great mental turmoil listening to the first Ashariravani. Now the second Ashariravani comes and says that Bhupa, he has not done anything wrong. It is those two people who have fooled all of you. Bhupa gayo jaha bhojana khani. Immediately Pratapa Bhanu ran towards the kitchen where it is being cooked. Tahana asana nahi viprasuara. There, no brahmanas are there who were cooking earlier. And Phirevuravu mana sochu apara. When he found there were nobody in the kitchen, not only nobody were there were no food also there. Everything which was illusory disappeared. He came back. Phirevuravu mana socha apara. The king returned, came back, and then he was in. You can understand what would be his mind, his mental status. He was completely floored. Sabhaprasanga mahisurana sunai. Then he told all the Brahmanas the complete thing what happened right from the beginning, from the time he went to the forest for hunting. From then until now, whatever happened, he narrated the whole thing to the Brahmanas. He confessed to the Brahmanas. Trasita parevu abaniya kulai. He fell on the ground. He doesn't know how to do. Have you seen the small children when they become very angry or when they want something very adamant, they fall on the floor and then shake their hands and legs and then cry loudly and make so much noise that the parents, it is better to give the child rather than make him do all such natak. Therefore they come and bring and give the whatever the child was adamant about. Like that, the king had fallen on the ground and he didn't know what to do. He was caught up with lot of fear. Why? Because of the curse. All because of what? Because of his intense desire beyond his capacity. Here is another very interesting teaching. In Kannada, I even keep telling this, that chape iddashtu kalu chachu. You have to spread your legs to that extent. Very interesting. The yoga mat what we have. Let us suppose you are in a hall and you are standing on the yoga mat, probably in the center of the mat, and then you try to spread the legs beyond the mat. The mat will get, it can slip and you can fall down terribly, isn't it? You should never stretch beyond your capacity. This is a very, very important learning in our life. In this case, it is a story, it is at that particular time when all these things were possible. Now these things are all in dream only. But even in our common normal life, we must never stretch ourselves beyond our capacity. Too much is always too bad. We have heard this several times. But all said and done, our desires kindle us, prompt us to stretch ourselves beyond and later regret and suffer. How many people, for the desire of enjoying beautiful conveniences at home, they take loans and then they, massive house they build with all the modern furnitures, they even purchase a car, everything on loan, and suddenly you find recession, correct. There is a recession in the market and everything, it's all gone case, and then you are into great trouble. What was the reason? That is why we must stick to what we can afford. Never desire beyond our capacity. The greater the desire, stronger will be your suffering. Deeper will be your suffering. Therefore, don't desire beyond your capacity. Pratapa Bhanu desired beyond his requirement. What was the need to become a king, the sovereign of the entire universe for 100 kalpas? Think. Bhagavad Gita says, Kshine punya martyalokam vishanti. Once your merits are over, you will come back to this world. Therefore, samskara. Janmana jayate shudraha samskara dvicha uchyate. Janmana, when we take birth, all of us are foolish people only. We don't know anything. Later, samskarat, because of our education, because of our discipline, we become dvija. Dvija meaning what? A student. Think. At the age of 8, when the Janayu is put at the Vatu's shoulders and he is sent to the Gurukula for studying. Why? At the age of 8, the boy gets his ability to think independently. And when the boy is ready to think independently, he must be guarded properly with proper information and right direction. This is what a guru gives. Otherwise, the mind goes astray and you will fall into the ditch of life. Think. Sabhaprasanga mahisurana sunayi Trisita parevo avaniya kulayi. Look at the condition of this Pratapa Bhanu. Bhupati bhavi mitai nahi. Even though he was not at fault. Jadapi na dushana tora. The inevitable will always happen. And kiye anyatha hoi nahi. How much ever we may put in effort to counteract, to correct those mistakes, viprashapa ati ghora. The shapa of a true Brahmana, underline. The shapa of a true Brahmana will never fail and it will be terrible. The results will be horrible. However big you may be in the society, how much ever you may have all the facilities and economically very upbeat you may be, but a Brahmana shapa, a true Brahmana shapa will throw everything away and put you down on the earth. अस कहि सब महि देव सिधाये समाचार पुर लोगन पाये सोचहि दूषण देवहि देहि बिरचत हंस कागह किय जेहि उपरोहित ही भवन पहुँचाई असुर तापसहि खबरि जनाई तेहि खल जह तह पत्र पठाई सजी सजी सेन भूप सब दाये घेरे नगर निशान बजाई विविध भांति नित होई लराई जूझे सकल सुभट करि करनी बंधु समेत परे नृप धरनी सत्य केतु कुल को नहीं बांचा विप्रशाप किमि होई असांचा रिपुजिति सब नृप नगर बिसाई निजपुर गवने जय जसु पाई भरद्वाज सुनु जाहि जब होई विधाता भाम धूरी मोरु सम जनक जम ताहि ब्याल समदाम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Swami ji, when will you say Shri Ramachandra ki jai? Sunday, May 12th. Remember, so you have to wait until then. Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra ji will take birth for all of us on Sunday, May 12th, here in Mysuru. Right? In our program, Rama Janana Prasanga. Now, what happened? Asaka hi sabamahi deva sidhaye. See, they said, who can escape a Brahmana shapa? No one can do anything. And saying so, Asakahi sabamahi deva sidhaye. All the Brahmanas, they just dispersed and went away. Samachara pura logana paye. This news spread all over in the kingdom. Good news never spreads, you see. All such news, people have no other job to do. Go on spreading news. More of it is false news only. And even if at all, if there are any news which are true, and only such news goes. So much good people are doing. Param Puja Gurudev has done so much for the humanity. How many of them go and tell? Of course, Gurudev now, today, millions of people are enjoying his knowledge. Isn't it? But in our own near and in the surroundings, so many good things happen. Nobody wants to spread the news. Why? They are all busy in spreading all unwanted, irrelevant, meaningless, useless, unproductive news only are being spread. Samachara pura lok ganapaye. Everybody were given this news in the whole kingdom. Sochahi dushana deva hidehi. Everybody were perturbed and everybody started blaming the fate. Why? They knew. They knew the quality of their king. They loved their king. Why? Because of his truthfulness. His desire was within himself. But when it came to the kingdom, Pratapabhanu was an excellent administrator. Excellent Raja. So he took care of his Praja very well. Therefore, Praja had lot of faith, lot of trust, lot of love and affection, and in a manner of saying, devotion towards their king. And therefore, what did they do? They never blamed their king, they blamed their fate. Dushana daiva hidehi. They blamed the fate. Birachita hamsa kaga kiya jehi. What a beautiful example. He said, he tried to make a swan and it turned out to be a crow. Birachita hamsa. He wanted to create a swan. But what happened? Kaga kiya jehi. It became a crow. Meaning what? What he wanted to do good for others or something like that. Whatever, because they don't know his intentions. So they only thought of good only. Uparo hitahi bhavana pahuchaye. Now this Kalaketu, the original Purohit was put back into his house. Remember, he was taken to the cave. He was brought and put back into the house. Then he ran towards the Kapata Muni. Asurata apasahi khabarin janai. He went to the Kapata Muni and told him everything what happened in great delight. Why? Mission achieved. Mission successful. Mission accomplished. He went and told him. Tehi khala jahataha patra pathaye. Immediately that Kapata Muni, who was the earlier Raja, what did he do? Immediately he sent letters through his dutas to all and sundry of his known kings, smaller or bigger. He wrote letters to all of them who were in all directions. Saji saji sena bhupa sabadhaye. All the princes and came with a big army, and then they all gathered together to take the orders from this Kapata Muni. Dereni nagarani sana bajayi, and beating all the drums, and then maybe they, we all can imagine how those days the Rajas would beat drums, blow that trumpet and everything before going for the war, inspiring all the soldiers. So similarly, gave Bivida Bhati Nata Hoi Larai, and every day varieties of types of battles were fought. And in that variety of fought, all the great warriors of Pratap Bhanu fell flat and they all were killed. Jujhe sakala subhata kari karani, bandhu sameta parevu nrupadharani. Bandhu sameta, with all the relatives. Here in this case, Pratapabhanu with his brother, all of them were killed. Satya Ketu Kula Kovu Nahi Bacha. In the whole Kula of Satya Ketu, nobody remained. Everybody were killed. Nobody survived. Viprashrapa kimi hoya sancha. Think, a Brahmana shapa kimi hoya sancha. Curse of a Brahmana can never fail. I always add, a true Brahmana, if you and I said, you go to hell, he will say, I will meet you there. That's all. Because all those will not happen. Because of me giving shapa, nothing will happen. Why? We have to deserve to give a shapa, and we have to deserve to give an ashirvada also. We will see about the later, about the second one. How we should deserve to give ashirvada, we will see in Sundarakanda. Viprashapa kimi hoya sancha, ripu jiti sabha nrupa nagara bisai. Having vanquished, cleared, dusted, done and dusted, they say. Like that, all the complete clan were vanquished, and then they rehabilitated with their own people. The whole city was re-inhabiting. Nija paragavani jaya jasupai. After the war was over, after the complete clan of Satyaketu was demolished, then all the other smaller kings who came with the army, they all went back to their homes with the joy of victory. Bharadvaja sunu jahi jab. Oh Bharadvaja, sunu. Listen. Who says? Yajnavalkya. Time and again you have to remember. So Tulsidas time and again says, "Oi, this is a story which is, it's a true story." But who is telling? Yajnavalkya is telling Bharadvaja what Shivaji spoke to Parvati. The conversations are going on. Hoi bidhata bam. He says, whatever the Creator has written, that alone will happen. Therefore, don't ever bring displeasure to Bhagavan. Dhuri meru samajana kajama tahi byala samadama. In fact, he says, Dhuri meru sama, when things come back, return, bounce back on us, even a dust will look like a Meru mountain. Even a small pain will become huge, irresistible, uncontrollable. Even a dust will become like a Meru. And then, Tahi Byala Samadama, even a father will look like one Yamaraja only. Therefore, be careful. Be careful. Be careful is the teaching. Now, what happened next? Pratapa Bhanu is dead. Now he has to become the demon according to the Shapa. We will see what happens tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.